So we've just installed this Trianco Aztec Instantaneous Hot Water Heater. And we've got your on-off switch here. So that's off, turn it on. We've got the set temperature. Ooh, turn that off, which we can put up to whatever temp we want. 45 at the moment is fine. You've got your outlet temp, you've got your inlet temp, and the working time, how long it's been on. So if we turn hot tap on, it starts flashing in the middle because it's activated, and then you can see in a moment as it starts heating up, outlet temp will start going up, inlet temp usually goes down a little bit as it stabilises because of the cold water coming in. There we go, it's starting to heat up. Obviously, the slower the flow rate, the quicker it'll heat up. And we turn that off. There you go. And then that is it. So that's the Trianco Aztec Instantaneous Hot Water Heater. And in here we've got an isolation valve.